and welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to have a quick overview of the manufacturing module of the Odoo version 18, and we'll see how we can create manufacturing order and how we can configure our workstations. So let's quickly jump to manufacturing module. So here I am in the manufacturing one. So you can see as soon as I enter the manufacturing module, the first window that I am land on is the overview window, right? So here I can see that I have one work center which is repacking, and how many are launch MOs waiting for me, right? And this is the overview that you're going to see as soon as you enter in a manufacturing if you have any workstation. So let's go and see how we can create workstations in our manufacturing module. So for that, we have to go to our configuration menu, and there you can see work centers are there, right? So let's click on the work centers, and here you can see I have one work center created for me. Now, in order to create another workstation, I only have to click on this new button. And as soon as I click this, a page will be open for me, which will ask for the couple of details like what is the work center name, what is the standard working hour, and a couple of other details, efficiency and capacity, and what is the OE target that I'm setting for it, and in equipment that I'm using in this workstation, right? So other details it will gonna ask me, and as soon as I save it, one work center will be created for me, and that will also be visible in my overview tab. So in that way you can create new work center. Then we have another thing in configuration that you can see is the operations. So in operations, you can create what operation, the activity that you're going to perform in that particular work center. So for that creation of new works operation, you just simply have to click on the new button and define your operation that you're going to perform. And while performing that, it will also going to ask you that if you want to assign any bill of material to that, or which work center this operation will be performed. And also you can attach any worksheet, some instructions or some manuals that you want the operator person or the one present in that workstation doing this operation for their information, right? Then once we have the center set up and the operations has also been created, now let's head back to our products. So for manufacturing, bill of material is very important for us, right? So for creation of the bill of materials, there are two ways that you can do. One is come to the product, and there you will find a beautiful smart button which says bill of materials. So if you want to create a bill of material for any of your product, click on bill of materials and hit on the new button and create your bill of material. Or you can go from products, and there you can see a quick link is provided to you, which is bill of material from here. So if you click on there, you will see all the bill of materials that are present in your database. Now to create a new bill of material, click on new and select the product for which you are creating this bill of material. Which product particular variant that you are selecting. If you didn't select, all the variant will be selected. What is the quantity, right? And what are the components that will that you are assigning for this particular bill of material, and what each quantity holds for that all components to manufacture this particular one quantity. And you can define what type of bomb you are creating. Is it a manufacturing, you are going to manufacture this, or is it just simple kit? So once you have configured this bomb, this bill of material for you, now we are set for our manufacturing order creation. So for that, you have to come to the operation tab and click on the manufacturing orders. So as soon as I hit it, there you will find all the MOs that you have created, right? To creation of a new MO, you simply have to click on the new button, select the product that you'll have, right? Once you're going to select it, the particular bill of material will be populated if you do have any, and all the materials, the components and the work order will be populated over here. Now in order to confirm this particular manufacturing order, you simply have to hit on confirm button. As soon as you click on this, the UI will going to be shown like this, and you can see the work orders. This pause and resume button will be available to you. You can also quickly jump to your shop floor module and can see this particular MO over there. You can plan for this MO that when you want to schedule this or want to run for this. So let's quickly jump to our shop floor module from here. I can come from that smart button, or I can just simply come from the shop floor app that we have over here. So this is how your shop floor will look like to the operator, to the concerned person who will be there in the shop floor, and all the MOs will be listed for them over here. What product is this? What is the MO number? registered product and everything will be visible to them, right? They can start, resume, pause, and can produce their this particular MO and can perform the operations from here. Now let's head back to our manufacturing one. Open manufacturing order, right? So this that way you can plan it also. So once you're going to hit on plan, it will be planned, right? Now you can complete it from here, you can complete it from shop floor, or you can simply click on the produce all, and all the quantity listed over here will be produced. So let's quickly simply click on produce all. We didn't have enough stock. Let's head back to our MO and try to complete another one. This is the one, and let's say we have everything we needed because component status is available over here. So let's click on produce all, and you can see everything is built. So here you can see now quantity is one by one, so we have produced it. You can also see the traceability of it. You can see the traceability where it is now placed, right? From production it has been placed to your stock, and also you can see the product movements from where all the components came and where it is stored now. So that also you can see. Also you can see the overview, the BOM overview, that how much unit cost it cost you. So from here you can also evaluate your cost of selling and the cost of manufacturing, right? So that way you can see it has been now vanished from here, because if I remove this, all my done BOMs will also be visible over here. So that way you can create your MOs. And for reporting, we have work orders. You can view reports based on your work orders, how your work orders are been performing. Then another reporting we have is OE, how your machines are performing. So overall effectiveness you can see, equipment effectiveness you can see from here. Then lastly, we have production analysis, how your production is going throughout the year and the selected time duration, and based on different metrics that you can see from here. So that reporting you can see from here. And in overview section, you can also see the OE percentage, right? How many were to launch and what as late. So that you can see from here. So that was all about the manufacturing order, how to create BOMs, how to create the MOs, and how to complete them, and the reporting part for the manufacturing one. Thank you for watching this video.